From 1970, the school could, in those 8 classrooms, they couldn't house all the learners that came to school. The principal had to negotiate with the surrounding churches. And then we also had classes at the Reformeer de Kerk in the circle opposite Katlehong Technical. We also had classes at Hanoverian Lutheran Church at Ngala section. When I started teaching at INTOKOZO, I was stationed at Tulisa. That's how far the classes were, because the school couldn't house those standard 3s. I stayed at Tulisa for the whole year, 1970. Or sometimes there's a staff meeting. Fanega wehle uze INTOKOZO uze meeting, or maybe you have to come and get reading books. You must come with boys who would carry the reading books for imiza nebuyela etulisa manje eklasini. INTOKOZO was opened in July 1964. Then they moved Miss Mavuso as the principal of INTOKOZO. There were only 4 classrooms then available to be used. There was room 1 up to room 4, but room 3 was used as Mr. Mavuso's office. And then later on, there were 4 other classrooms that were constructed up to room 8, and the little office and the little storeroom.
I hear people saying apartheid versus freedom, but by then, education was the best. That's my opinion. You were measured by your standard 6. Would say, how are you doing? How are you coping? The school was on top. I think we're on the top. We're on the top 3 in Katlehong with the results. Athletics, music competition. The school was, I cannot even tell. I was so motivated. Coming to this school was the best thing that happened to my life then, meaning before 1994. We were working, and there was this teamwork, and there was this competitive spirit among teachers that grade 1A is not gonna beat my class grade 1B. You know, we're working in that spirit, and the results were tops.